Bow before me before you try. Actually, not so bad.
They're very hard.
थप्पड़ लगाने की मशीन है.
तो मम्मी बचपन में बॉर्नविटा वाला दूध देती थी ना.
मैं नमक खा लूंगा भाई. ये इतना गंदा है, इसको फेंको इसको यहाँ से.
Today we are trying
Zepto Cafe
versus Bistro by Blinkit.
And this is the fastest food delivery in Delhi. Okay, today we are going to try chicken seekh kebab from Zepto Cafe, and it doesn't look so fresh but smells tasty, and they have given us one hari chutney box and some onion rings with a slice of lemon. Let's see how it tastes. What do you have here with you today?
I have chicken kebab from Bistro by Blinkit. They don't have any chutney or anything and they look very soggy, but let's try.
Now I'm going to have a bite of this not so fresh looking kebab. Actually not so bad. The chutney is also tasty and fresh.
I think it's very soft and not so hard. अब ये हो गया, अब ये शुरू करें?
It's really stiff, really chewy.
I think they're really dry. They are not so soft. They're very hard.
It tastes very smoky, masaledar, spicy.
They're very spicy and they taste like chicken popcorns. I would definitely go for chicken seekh kebab from Zepto Cafe. Only because they have different chutney.
Yeah, lovely. I wouldn't recommend this.
Same.
Kebab, you can go for it. Kebab is nice.
Next we are trying veg pizza bao.
And I am trying Bistro ka chicken momos. It looks really mixed up.
By the way, I've never tried bao before.
Bow before me before you try.
How does anyone find that funny?
I'll try chicken momos.
I would recommend this momo to everyone because the filling is really nice. Chicken tastes like chicken. The outer filling is soft, bit thicker. Momo is really nice.
No, I don't think so. The outer parting is very thick. इतनी मोटी skin कौन खाता है यार?
Yeah. But it's really weird कि भाई मोमोज के साथ
One
चटनी.
drawback इसमें चटनी नहीं है. मोमोज के साथ हमेशा चटनी होनी चाहिए.
Now next we have.
Veg pizza bao.
It looks like it's made out of plastic, the rubbery.
It looks like सस्ता वड़ा पाव. चलो let's try. नहीं, no.
Rubber.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं हो पाएगा.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं भाई.
Like first time I was trying bao, but no.
मैं बिल्कुल नहीं बाव करना चाहूँगा.
Bye.
I would prefer momos without chutney because it's definitely better than this plasticky whatever this is, the bao. Good job, Bistro. The score is 1 versus 1. What do you have next?
Chicken keema pao and chole
I've
kulche.
got chole kulche. I think these are tough. आलू रोटी तो नहीं लग रही है, ना ये नान लग रहा है. थप्पड़ लगाने की मशीन है.
चलो let's try.
Let me taste some chola with my naan.
मेरे को भी दे. ओह, इसमें आलू भी है.
I cannot
नहीं,
do
no
more
taste,
than
nothing. बहुत tasteless है. Next we have chicken keema pao from Bistro.
कीमा is nice. कीमा का texture भी अच्छा है.
By far, मतलब अभी तक the best thing was keema pao.
कीमा पाव.
But without pao.
I think 10 minutes में सच आपको और कुछ नहीं मिल सकता guys. Bistro का कीमा पाव must try.
Okay, next.
I have Korean cheese bun from Bistro by Blinkit. And we've got
Garlic bread from Zepto. This looks exactly like Domino's. So let's try. Is it worth it or not?
looking from the presentation, it is all mayonnaise. Cheese I do not see. Only on top वो हल्का सा cheese लग रहा है. But let's taste it. It's all mayonnaise. And ऊपर से बहुत ज़्यादा garlic है. Cheese का taste बिल्कुल नहीं है. So I would not recommend at all. And ये काफ़ी soggy हो गया.
Mayonnaise.
You want to try this first?
Yeah.
The classic look of this garlic bread, it gives me full-on Domino's vibes.
It doesn't taste like Domino's at all, but it looks like Domino's.
Yeah, the taste is really bad.
I can't taste anything, not garlic, nothing.
COVID हो गया तेरे को.
क्या हो गया?
It doesn't taste so good. I think it's a tie between both of them. कि किसका सबसे गंदा है तो दोनों tie हो
I think
गए.
I would go for Zepto.
I wouldn't go for Zepto also. Okay, now I've got classic cold coffee from Zepto and yuzu lemonade. So what do you have?
Vietnamese coffee from Bistro and avocado smoothie.
I didn't like it at all.
तो मम्मी बचपन में बॉर्नविटा वाला दूध देती थी ना.
नहीं वो बहुत अच्छा था यार उसका ऐसा.
हाँ.
बहुत चीनी का टेस्ट है एंड कॉफ़ी का बिल्कुल लाइट है. आई यूजुअली लाइक माई कोल्ड कॉफी इज लिटिल स्ट्रॉन्ग भी नहीं है, ये माइल्ड भी नहीं है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट दिस इज बट ठीक है. अ क्लासिक एवरेज काइंड ऑफ अ कोल्ड कॉफी दैट यू कैन गेट इन 10 to 15 minutes. उसके लिए तो इट्स आई थिंक फेयर इनफ. नाउ वी हैव यूजू लेमोनेड. आई थिंक इसको
अब
वापस
तूने
पैक
इसको
कर.
मुंह लगा लिया. मैं ऐसे तो नहीं try
मैंने
कर
इसलिए
सकती.
मुंह लगाया क्योंकि ये तेरे को पीने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. इतना गंदा है इसको फेंको इसको यहाँ से.
Vietnamese coffee from Bistro. Bro, Vietnamese coffee में मीठा होता है और इसमें कुछ ऐसा नहीं है.
क्या ये इसके अंदर कुछ भी नहीं है, सिर्फ मिट्टी डाला हुआ है ऐसा लग रहा है.
Next we are trying avocado smoothie. ये तू try करेगा क्या?
एवोकाडो तो मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद.
Please. Oh my god.
Is this a broccoli shake? It's like
नहीं.
vegetable
Drinks-
shake, vegetable milk
I
shake.
think you can't order drinks from Blinkit or
Yeah,
Zepto.
this-
You can wait more than 10 minutes for your drink.
I mean इससे अच्छा coffee and lemonade you can make it at home.
और इससे अच्छी.
Yes.
Now we have mini croissant from Zepto and they are very 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 cute and tiny. I think they are very easy to eat.
And I have croissant cheese mushroom sandwich with me.
नहीं? Try it or not? नहीं. If you're really really hungry then you can order this. You want your food in 10 minutes. Now we have mini croissant. See how tiny they are.
It tastes good.
I think they should have given a chocolate dip or something. They're really crunchy.
Blinkit lost this time. Now we have come to desserts and we have got Shahi Tukda from Bistro by Blinkit.
And then we have tiramisu from Zepto Cafe.
मैं ये नहीं कर सकता मैं.
खा के देखते हैं यार, ऐसे नहीं जज करते. Okay, the bread is very soggy. It's like bread dipped in rasmalai.
Let me take a bite.
Let's try tiramisu then.
नहीं
I really love tiramisu and this is the worst tiramisu.
बहुत ज़्यादा ही स्पॉन्जी है बिकॉज टिरामिसू का जो बेस है इट इज़ नॉट सपोज टू बी इतना ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट एंड पल्पी और बहुत ज़्यादा ही मीठा है. कॉफ़ी का टेस्ट ही नहीं है इसमें ज़्यादा.
But I would go for tiramisu and Shahi Tukda.
मैं नमक खा लूँगा भाई. मीठा नहीं मंगाऊंगा दोनों जगह से कभी भी. What do you think after trying so much of
I think the
things from Zepto and Blinkit? What dish did you like the most and what would you recommend? क्या usually हमें मंगाना चाहिए?
I think the food was very average and we can only order few items. If you're really really hungry, then I would go for Bistro by Blinkit rather than Zepto Cafe.
The only thing that I would recommend to order from Zepto was the chicken seekh kebab.
Kebab.
Apart from that, Zepto ka there was one more cute mini croissants. That was really nice.
Thank you guys for watching. Tell us,
What we should try next in the comments down below and like
share.
and subscribe. Bye bye guys.
Bye.